Do you know that you can score more than 100% on BitSat? 486 out of 450 to be precise. Well, अगर तुम अपने parents को shock करना चाहते हो and get more than they ever expected in their lives, BitSat is the exam for you. But also, BITS is one of the best colleges in India right now. It has been pronounced as one of the top 6 Indian Institute of Eminence right now. But that's not even the brightest thing about BITS. It has an international campus in Dubai. कोई attendance का scene नहीं है वहाँ पर. Plus they have a class infrastructure and amazing facilities. What else do you want? What's more you want to know? Well, it is easier to crack BitSat than it is to crack JEE. Because JEE mein na, you need a deeper understanding of the concepts. But here, the questions are short, but they are tricky, yes. You have to solve about 180 questions in 150 minutes. That requires a dire need for speed and accuracy from your end. Apart from physics, chemistry and math, this one also has a section for English and logic reasoning, which comprises of 1/6 of the total marks of the paper. तो अगर तुमने वो चीज़ crack कर ली, उसके लिए अच्छी तरह से पढ़ाई करके, that can be a game changer for you and can fetch you a lot of marks. So like, do it. But that's not it. There are 12 more questions on BitSat that can guarantee you the title of the one who scored more than 100. If you want it, you get it. Let's dive deeper into what the paper is about. The 12 questions comprise of 4 questions each from physics, chemistry and math. Marking scheme is the same, +3 for correct answer and -1 for incorrect answer. You are not given any extra time to attempt these questions. You must answer all the 150 questions without skipping any of them in the main section to be eligible to attempt the 12 extra questions. Once you have entered this section, you cannot go back to or change your answers in the 150 questions section. Consider attempting the extra questions only if you have at least 20 minutes left. If your target is computer science in BITS Plani, the cutoff is approximately 380. Doing the math, you must be sure of at least 135 out of 150 correct answers to take a safe risk with the extra questions section. But here's the catch. Do not try to rush through the paper and finish all the questions so that you can attempt the 12 extra questions. To be entitled for the title of the one who scored more than 100, do not rush through the paper because you can seriously ruin your chances of making something good out of what is already there. You know what I'm saying? So calm yourself down. We talked to a few BITS alumni last week and we got some insights on what the BITS aspirants should know about the college, and this is what we got to know. The bonus questions are a tricky trade-off. They are only available to you once you have attended all the other questions, but they can add an additional of 36 marks to your original score. And as a matter of trend, it has been found that these questions are easier than the rest of the questions. So, what do you think? Do not give more than a minute for the calculation of any questions. अगर तुम्हें पता है कि तुम्हारे सारे questions right हैं और सिर्फ 12 से 15 questions बचे हुए हैं, तो तुम उन्हें guess कर सकते हो, so that you can move on to the bonus questions. So apply that trick, yo. Cracking BitSat is not rocket science, ठीक है? The only way you can get there is to do a lot of mock tests, do a lot of previous year sample papers. It's about exam readiness, you know. तो जितनी ज़्यादा practice करोगे of mock tests and practice papers, you will get ready for it. You have to get acquainted to the pattern of the paper. That is all you need to crack BitSat. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully it was some use to you because why else are we making these videos, bro? Why else? Also, please like this video and share this video with your friends. People who are trying to crack BitSat this year, they need this the most, so like, do it. Until then, take care of yourself, study really, really hard, party even harder, don't do that. But take care of yourself and love yourself enough. I will see you when I see you. Until then, peace out.